6.
Yeah, 6.
Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our one of the female rabbit. She was pregnant, so this morning we have noticed that one of the baby outside. So then where the place she was digging actually over here. Yes, so mashallah she has delivered one early 6.
Yeah, 6.
6.
This is the one earlier.
Yeah, that's the one early which I had put it by my hand because it was outside. So on the way, and unfortunately we did not notice, so we noticed later on, and then we put it and we see we was looking some weird activities from the mother side. So finally, alhamdulillah, she had given birth to the 6 babies. 6 just few minutes before of having this video conversation right now. She just delivered, so I missed the opportunity to record this moment, but finally at least we have something. So because we put this, especially we have one male rabbit, he was biting her this morning, so we put him for a while inside this box. And she is another female, so we are expecting also maybe she is pregnant, so we put her aside, and this male gentleman is here. She covered it up all the way, so what she will do now? How she will go and feed them? I'm curious. Maybe we have to do some little research about the rabbit. So we have to check them. Maybe like sometime she will keep it like this way. Just so until they will be little mature enough, she will dig it out again, and then we'll start feeding to them probably. She's like properly packing it up like a fence. Right, Hafza? Yes. Yeah. It's good. She's not a wild rabbit because as you can see that it's our pet. So she's very good.
She's my
Calm.
way.
Now she's looking something else. She will be back. See, she's coming back. Okay, let her do her job. We are interrupting. Yalla, take care, mother. We'll see you in a while, okay? Bye bye. Yes. So, our mother goat, she's there in the deep, having good time with the green grass. And we have a deep, these two, our newborn Hackle and Jackal, two male goat babies. Right, Afza? Shall we call them? Because once we will call them, they will run after us. Right? Mimi! See, look at them. They are answering. We are here. Mimi! You wanna come, Mimi? Okay. They have a specific timing, so morning they had it already their breakfast. Now they will come to us when they need it in the lunch time, so they will come after running towards us. So they will have it there, one each bottle, like 250 ml. Then they will go back into the field, and then the third one in the evening. So this is their session. Yes, stay there, start eating grass. You have to eat now grass. You are more than a month. Right, Abda? Yeah, 25 December, 25 Jan.